Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Now I bought this back in August before I implemented my self-imposed no buy, but it took so long to get to me. It was 52 days. So yeah, you can see it's had better days. So I got this diamond painting from Evershine. It's actually my first diamond painting I got from them. And as a person who only discovered diamond painting this year, ooh, look at that. I've been trying out different companies. So yeah, let's see. Where is probably the best place to open this? I don't know. It's really banged up. Let's hope what's in here survives. So I got a 45 by 60 diamond painting. It looks like it comes in a foam roller. It looks very much like Can. So maybe they're another one of the people who come. Nope, no more. Yep, ooh, look at that massive bag of something. So, yeah, so it's just a normal, it has the good pointy tweezers, and it has the thin placers, which I like, and a massive amount of wax. This boat is, look at that, look at all that extra, I don't know if you could tell, there's all this extra bits on the side. So not the best well-made boat, but I don't tend to use that one. Okay, so there is a little divot here, but hopefully it'll be okay. Oh, and so what I bought is this picture. If you could see it on camera, it's a mountain picture. It looks very much like Mount Rainier, because I live in Washington State, and what's it called? When I saw this picture, I was like, oh, that looks exactly like Mount Rainier. So it might very well be Mount Rainier, but of course, you know, the AliExpress listing did not say where it was. Okay, so, okay, there's a piece of tape here. So this is a relatively big painting. So I'm working right now on a different scenery, winter one, which, you know, it is almost winter. So I won't probably get to this until like springtime, but okay. Watch me struggle. So I usually just open this slowly. You know, I'll probably just edit this out where I'm struggling putting this back. Okay, so there you go. Look at that. You can see the lovely mountain at the top. Ooh, I kind of want to do this now. Oh, but it looks awesome with these flowers at the bottom. Look at that. So I did get a square. What's it called? I will do inventory on this off screen because I don't really like watching the inventory part, and I'll be right back. So I'm back on this same video, and off screen struggling to put all the paper back, but I did notice on this diamond painting, this is the first time I've gotten one where it looks like there's this, I don't know, bubble in the canvas, and that usually, I think, means that when they put the tape on, they didn't put it on, the canvas wasn't completely flat. So now there'll be like a hole. I guess not really a hole. Like, even if it's not like a river where there's extra tape, or is this a river? But it's not that there's extra tape, there'll actually be less tape because they skipped this whole section here. One good thing is it's only at this top section, and so then I only really have to worry about this little teeny tiny part on the two parts on the, so worst case is, what's that called? I have to, I don't know, add some glue there if the diamonds don't stick. Or, I do have a lot of double-sided tape, so maybe I'll just put more double-sided tape on top of this. But I just wanted to point that out. I'll be back. I still haven't done the inventory. All right. Hi, I said I'd be back after inventory, but I realized really quickly that none of my DMC numbers was matching my key here. So when I looked at the bag of drills, see, this says this is TA8355, and this should be a 45 by 60, but the sticker on the inventory, I mean on the drills bag, it says it's TA4911 and it's a 50 by 70. So yeah, I did not get the correct drills, which makes me sad because this is such an awesome picture. So I'm going to contact the seller, and I guess I'm not going to put this diamond painting video up soon, and I'll edit in what response I get. Well, bye for now. Okay, it's been a month, about a month, a little bit less than a month, and the buyer did send me the drills. So, I mean the seller sent me the drills. I'm the buyer. So hopefully this time there is no issues with this, and these are the correct drills. Let's see, I'm trying to see if they have that item number sticker that was in my old one, but no. But I will, I guess, take an inventory of this and make sure it's correct. There is no inventory sheet with this, so I'm gonna have to base it off of this, but I guess I'll see 48 is 3835, so that's looking good. So I'm just gonna go put these in a quick order. I'll put this on a fast speed so that you don't see me struggling with counting, because that's a big struggle. And I'll talk to you later. Okay, there are 48 colors in this, and there are 48 bags. Now, the true test I normally do is I check a couple from every line to make sure it's correct. So 45 is supposed to be 3756. Yep. 34 is supposed to be 935, and that's correct. 14 is supposed to be 340, and that's correct. 24 is supposed to be 794, and yep, that's correct. Look at this massive bag of 310. So yep, 310. So I put them in order by number, so I'm, like number on this thing, so I'm hoping they're all correct. At least this matches the last one. So good for Evershine for responding to my email really quick, or my message to them on AliExpress, and they did send these out pretty much the next day. I don't blame them that it took And it was probably about almost 4 weeks before it got to me, but yeah, that's the mail. That's not their fault. So hopefully, I actually really do love this picture. So I don't know when I'm going to do it, probably early next year. That's my goal. So thank you for watching and happy diamond painting. Bye.